എന്താ പറയുക നമ്മുടെ ഒരു മിക്സോളജിയുടെ ഒരു വേറൊരു ഫോമില്ല, അതായത് മൊത്തത്തിൽ what are you making?
Pani puri.
Even though I'm an Indian, I never made or never had any pani puri. Now you are constantly making pani puri. I'm so jealous.
Maybe you were born on the wrong country.
Hey, no, it's actually pani puri. Pani puri is like very differently advertised in our part of the world. Because it's actually not advertised badly. It was actually shown the truth behind.
That even you don't wanna make it. Oh, it's not hot enough yet.
Not hot.
Even it says pani puri in your choice of oil and hygienic water.
So it actually offers that.
Yeah, the one they show is always. That's why like my
sister is like, husband about to try. Because what they see is like people using, like, going like this on the water, and then the feet.
Alam nyo ba na hindi lahat ng mga Indiano is nakatikim na ng panipuri? Hindi ko din alam. Akala ko lahat sila kumakain ng panipuri. Tapos nalaman ko na itong family pala ni Onis hindi pa ever nakatikim ng panipuri. So ayan, ginagawan ko sila ng panipuri. Natutunan kong gawin yung panipuri dahil sa mga kaibigan kong Pakistani. And then meron din akong isang kaibigang Indiana na tinuruan din ako kung paano timplahin. Buti na nga lang itong set na nabili ko is may powder na siya para sa pani. Yung pani pala is yung water. So may tatlong pani na nakalagay sa set. So may matamis, may maanghang, at saka may lambanog or anong tawag ba doon? Yung maasim, medyo maasim. Anong tawag ba doon? Nakalimutan ko eh. Yung tamarind pala. Yung tamarind. Hindi siya medyo maasim, pero may ibang lasa siya. Sa una hindi siya yung hindi ko ma-explain yung lasa, pero sobrang sarap yan, guys. So ayan. Tinawag na ni Uni yung nanay at tatay niya, so titikman na nila. Sa part to nahihiya na ako kasi baka hindi nila magustuhan. So parang ayokong ipatikim, pero go na.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നീക്കിയിട്.
അത് ഒരു വലിയ പ്ലേറ്റ് എടുത്ത്
better not put this because this is sweet. They might not like it. That is the spicy one.
ഇതങ്ങനെ വായിലിട്.
വലിയ വയ്യ.
You taste.
അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടാൽ മതി, പെട്ടെന്ന് കഴിക്കണം അത്.
So ayun na nga guys, napatawa na lang si Mami. Hindi ko alam kung nagustuhan niya ba o hindi. Pero sabi ni Oni, okay daw siya. Masarap naman daw. Ewan ko lang, pero sige. Yung reason nga pala na hindi sila kumakain ng panipuri is pareho lang sa reason natin. Dahil nakikita nila yung mga video na yung tubig ng panipuri is medyo madumi. So, hindi na titiwala si Uni dahil alam niyang hindi filtered yung water. So, alam niyang may mga bacteria. Sabi niya hindi naman dahil kinakamay-kamay. Yung tubig lang talaga yung problema.
So this is filtered.